Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate vertical AI videos perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. So we'll walk you through everything, setting up VEO3, crafting prompts, using vertical formats, and polishing your final clip. So first of all, what is VEO3? VEO3 is a Google latest AI video generation model launched in May 2025, and it can generate high-definition 8-second clips with native audio including dialogue, ambient sound, and realistic physics. You can access it via Gemini app or Vertex AI, and there are other options like Flow for editing or enterprise scale tools via the Media Studio. And of course, depending on the region that you live in, the tools that you can access with may differ. As an example, you can open any browser that you want, go to the URL section, type VEO3. Once you do so, you find, as an example, this VEO3 by DeepMind Google, and you'll be able to try it in Gemini and in Flow as well. As an example, in Gemini, you'll find here that you'll have to subscribe, as an example, if you want to access VEO3 in the Gemini app. But you'll be able to use it in the free, as example, section if you are going to use it in Flow instead. And of course, you'll have to keep in mind that you'll have limited storage, and also you might not have the same option if you live in a region that doesn't offer it. So using Flow, you'll have to click on Create with Flow. If they ask you to log into your Google account, make sure to do so, and then you'll be able to go and click on Create your new project. So an example here, they have three options: text to video, frame to video, and ingredient to video. And as you can see, the last option is available to Google AI subscribers only. So for the voice, you have here the VEO3 fast, and you have an example, the quality or fast, depending on whatever you want. If you want, you'll be able to upgrade to get more. And here you'll find outputs per prompt, which is 1, 2, 3, or 4. Can get into that later. So first of all, you'll need to understand how to create a vertical format video with VEO3. So VEO3 does support like 9.2.16 or 9:16 format, of course. However, on platforms like Gemini or Flow, you may need to adjust afterward or even via the prompt guidance. So let's start by creating a prompt to generate for us a video. Prompt engineering is key for that. You can use the universal prompt templates, which is something like that. It says basically a subject / character. Then you should like explain or try to give them the camera position that you want. After that, you will be able to choose like maybe setting, action, lightning or lighting example, movement, here where you'll have to explain it. And then you'll be able to add audio, where you'll have to, maybe I want some calm sounds, maybe nature or something like that. And to optimize for vertical as example, you can do or you can explicitly include something like that in your prompt, like vertical TikTok format after your prompt, or even you can do 9:16 vertical in your prompt. If you added that in the prompt, it will basically create a prompt or the video in the vertical format. Optionally, you can use a JSON prompt where basically where you have to add like formats. Then you will have to do the colon, not this colon. Then of course you'll have to add 9:16. So if you choose like to do the prompt using the JSON prompt, and this basically will help VEO3 frame scenes vertically rather than horizontally. Now let's just get into generating the video. So we will need to prepare a prompt. We can use even as example Gemini to like get the prompt for us. So I need a prompt to generate a video of Windows as example, XP, background, moving with the wind, with wind example sound, and it should be vertical. I don't like creating humans or animals using VEO3, and I'd prefer, as an example, nobody does, because this will remove the identity of the real stuff. So I just create nature stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to send this and then just see the prompts. Oh yeah, I need you only as an example to generate prompts. So let's just get the prompts as example. Yeah, that's good. I'm just going to get that, go to flow, and send the prompts as example. And all I need to do is wait for the video until it's created. Of course, if you mention the vertical stuff as an example, so they probably mention it somewhere. See, so yeah, vertical video. If you mention it, and anyway, like VEO3 didn't make your video vertical, you can try to make it vertical in some editing software, like CapCut and a lot of other options. So an example now, I'll have to wait for the video until it's created. Once you hit generate, wait a moment, and the output typically will last around 8 seconds. The videos will not go above 8 seconds. So if you want like a long video, you'll have to keep creating multiple videos and then group them together in a software, editing software. So let me just wait for the video until it's created, and I'm coming back. So here we are. The video is created. And as you can see, the video is 8 seconds. I can go and click on full screen, and I'll be able, as an example, to see how the video looking like. So you might notice that, as an example, the video is not good quality that you see online. That's because of the tool we're using, which is Flow. Because in my region, it's not available to use it using Gemini. So I'll have to use a VPN, create an account using a VPN, and I can then go and use the student's example account. If you have a student's mail, which will give you an example access to 2 terabytes of storage with, of course, I guess for a year. And also it will give you access to VEO3. For example, now we have our video right here. No need for cropping it because it's already vertical. I can just go and click on the button, as you can see right here, and I'll be able to generate it or only download it as animated GIF or original size or upscaled if you want it upscaled. So it's also up to you. For me, I'm just going to download it upscaled, and as you can see, upscaling your video will cost 0 credits. This may take a few minutes, so I'll just wait a little bit until it's upscaled and downloaded. In the meantime, I'm just going to download this also with a general or original example quality, as you can see right here. So here's the video, and yeah, I do have it right now. You can, as example, once your video is correctly framed, you can polish it. You can try to add text, overlay, captions, stickers, in any editing software. You can even adjust some audios, would add some voiceover, as an example, and optimize visual for mobile clarity, as an example, if you want to. You can even ask to improve something in the video if you want to. And yeah, that should basically it. So the important note that I'm going to tell you is make sure to focus on your prompt precision, because it matters the most. The more cinematic and details your prompt, including camera framing, lighting actually, and mood, the better your result. So make sure to review the prompts that AI gives you, or if you make the prompt yourself, that's even better. And make sure to get the best prompt out of yourself. And if you have better prompts, they will give you a better video. Of course, also, you can check communities, because creator reports success by rotating frame, uploading it sideways, and a lot of other stuff. So check communities, what they work or what it works for them, because they give some tips that are priceless sometimes. And stay aware of the limitations, as other users, VEO3 can create some complex scenes, but it will cost you some credits. So you'll have to keep in mind your credits, as example. So as you can see, finish upscaling the video, I can just download the upscaling parts, as example, and I should find my upscaled video, as you can see, which is a better quality at least. So yeah, that's basically should be it for me. And there you have it. You know how to create vertical AI videos with VEO3 using the right prompts. So just make sure to do it. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.